Welcome to your glow up journey. Discover Mary Kay skincare collections tailored to every need, every skin type, and every stage of life. Let's find your perfect routine. Our Mary Kay skincare line offers a hydrating or mattifying cleanser and moisturizer, plus a universal scrub and toner suitable for sensitive skin. Hydrate or control shine while gently exfoliating and refreshing your skin. Experience age-defying results with the TimeWise Miracle Set. It includes the 4-in-1 cleanser to cleanse, exfoliate, freshen, and brighten, antioxidant moisturizer to deeply hydrate and protect, daytime defender with SPF 30 to shield skin from harmful rays, and nighttime recovery to replenish and renew as you sleep. Reclaim skin's resilience with this TimeWise Repair Volume Firm Set. It includes a foaming cleanser, lifting serum, day cream with SPF, night cream, and eye renewal cream. Repair deep wrinkles, firm skin, and boost radiance. The Clear Proof Acne System. Fight blemishes with a clarifying cleanser, blemish control toner, acne treatment gel, and oil-free moisturizer. Clears breakouts, unclogs pores, and calms irritation for clearer, healthier skin. MK Naturally. Gentle, natural care with a purifying cleanser, exfoliating powder, moisturizing stick, and nourishing oil. Perfect for sensitive skin, this line is free from parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances. MK Men's Skincare. Tailored for men, this 3-piece set includes a face wash, shave foam, and hydrating sunscreen with SPF. Cleanse, protect, and hydrate for smooth, healthy-looking skin every day. Enhance your skincare routine with Mary Kay supplements, boosters, and serums. These powerful add-ons are designed to target specific skincare needs and work beautifully with any Mary Kay skincare set. Plus, all of our products are expertly formulated to work together, giving you a customized approach to glowing, healthy skin. Ready to find your perfect skincare match? Let's create your personalized glow-up routine. Fill out the glow-up request form and start your journey to radiant, healthy skin.